Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. If you look to the right side of your aircraft, you will notice Flight 198 challenging us to a race. I've turned the fasten seatbelt sign back on because shit is about to get real.
Bro had to get some fresh air.
Right, to make sure that your head figure is so safely and nothing wrong with the hour elevation season. Please switch off your laptop and place it in your hand luggage.
Bro speaking chicken language. This man needs a pay raise.
At all times, even when the seatbelt sign is off. In the event of emergency,